Hey, what's going on? Today, I'm going to be putting in a cam position sensor. Before we get started, I would like to introduce you to the new Braun underhood LED light. So you got 3 settings. That looks like high and off. Alright, there you go. Medium. Medium. Oh, it goes low, high, and then off. There you go. This is my first time using it, but this thing is pretty cool. It's got magnets that you can unscrew from the lower cap. Oh, it's also got hooks on either side that you can fold out. And I think it's like a 200 LED, something like that, bar. So yeah, bro, this thing is freaking awesome. It comes with a 12-volt AC charger, and it also comes with a cigarette lighter plug-in charger. So I got that from Harbor Freight for like $35. Really awesome buy. So that's it for the product review. So I had a code P0010 cam position sensor actuator circuit. So I'll see how well you can. Let me get another flashlight. This is why you can never have too much light. So right here is your cam position sensor plug. Okay, so that is where we're going to be working. So we're going to just unclip the cam cover right here, and then another one back here. So I mean, you can try and fight and take it out if you want to. I'm just going to leave it in, maybe adjust it a little bit, because you've got other ones on the bottom. So, but you got a 10mm bolt here, and then another 10mm bolt here. So I'm gonna take that off and then swap out with the new one. So the old one is out. Now I'm just gonna disconnect it. You have this pin right here that you gotta pull out. So I'm gonna get a set of pliers and pull this out. Alright, so you can see there's some oil on there, obviously from being bolted up to the cam. So right there, those, you got about 4 pegs. One is a larger one, and that's what the sensor reads in order to match up with the speed of the crank. See, so those 4 pegs, that's what the whole sensor reads. So your car will still start, but you might feel a very slight hesitation at the top end after it starts up, almost like it's trying to catch itself. That's how you know that that you have a bad what's it called? Cam position sensor. So this is the new one. I got red, black, green, power, ground, signal. The order is a little bit different, but as long as the wiring is good, that should not be an issue. So let's go and find out. Okay, so we're all buttoned back up. New sensor is in place. So now I'm going to go inside the car, hook up the computer, and see if the code comes back up.